waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only
Hello guys, it's been a while since I uploaded anything on this channel, and so I figured maybe I can upload a recipe for you, for someone who may want to try it out, and I hope you try it out. You will see more recipes in the future. I just don't want this channel to be dormant, and I will also be sharing a lot of baking tips that I know, and let's see how beautiful it can get. And I hope you subscribe and try out the recipe. If you have watched to this particular point, place your orders, guys. Place your orders. I am baking cakes and I deliver. So we have a variety and I can't wait to serve you guys. Goodbye.